Good afternoon, all of you. I'm Sandeep Kumar from Career Launcher. I'll be talking about words and vocabulary. We'll try to learn 20 new words in the next 10 minutes. Some fun ways of learning vocabulary that will always be helpful to you while you are practicing vocabulary. Vocabulary is best learned via images. The image stays in your mind, and so does the word. So let's begin. The first word, mirth. Now, if you remember this show, it is the Kapil Sharma show. The performance produced much mirth amongst the audience. Now, the word mirth, it means happiness, fun, laughter. Now, what can be the synonyms for the word? It can be revelry, it can be hilarity, it can be levity. All these words are synonyms to the word mirth. Mirth is happiness, fun, laughter, revelry, hilarity, levity. All these words. So let's move to the next. Senile. Now, if you look at the image, this is an old man, a confused man, not able to do a lot of things. So when people tend to go old, they tend to go senile. So most decisions were taken by the junior members of the teams, thanks to the senility of the boss. The boss was incapable of taking the decisions. So the boss was senile. So it is behaving in a confused or a strange way and unable to remember things because of old age. It is the same as decrepit or doddery. Now, moving on to the third word, indignation. If you remember Mangal Pandey, the movie featuring Amir Khan, injustice to the nation. So the freedom fighters were full of righteous indignation. So the meaning of the word indignation, it is anger at an injustice. It can be the words scorn, it can be contempt, it can be miffed, it can be wrath. All these words are synonyms to the word indignation. Inimical, like Osama bin Laden was inimical towards the United States or inimical towards mankind, like an enemy. So we have the word hostile, we have the word unfriendly, or someone has antagonistic feelings or is detrimental. Detrimental also is harmful. So inimical is like an enemy, he's harmful. So the quota system is inimical to the interest of the students. Sardonic. If you remember Amitabh Bachchan's look in the movie Gulabo Sitabo, the recently released movie on Amazon Prime, sardonic. So a person looking at you sardonically is looking at you with contempt, is looking at you with mockery, okay? With a sense of disgust, dislike. The teacher always had a sardonic smile when a student asks him a question. Fine, the student does not even know this answer. Now, the word sardonic means bitter, scornful, mocking, all these words. Let's move on to the next. A person whom you describe as blowhard. I don't like the company of blowhard people. I don't like the company of people who are arrogant, people who think too highly of themselves. So a boastful or a pompous person, a person who is snobbish, a person who is full of vanity. Kortal, all of you remember this famous character from Mr. India, Mogambo Kushwa. Ha 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 ha. Now this is the word kortal, the ha 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 ha. It's a loud laughter. Amrish Puri in the movie Mr. India, okay? He was cottling out. He was full of laughter. You can also use words like chuckle, cackle, euphaw. All these words make sense. Camaraderie. If you remember Dil Chahta Hai, these three characters in the movie Dil Chahta Hai were very good friends. Camaraderie means friendship. Friendship, or you have the word affinity for it. Candor. The word candor means, if you remember Rajat Sharma in the movie in the new series Aapki Adalat, he's open, honest, frank. So candor is used to describe a person's behavior, his deportment, okay, as honest, as sincere, as open. So a person who is artless or a person who is guileless. So these were the 10 words for today. I hope you like the video. And if you like the video, please click on the subscribe button. And I like to come up with more such videos and make the best use of your time in learning words. Thank you.